Alice McCall, who I've known. I love her work, by the way. It's so beautiful. You know, what she said to me, she's like, Jamal, I really like the texture. I like the crimp look. And I'm like, cool, the crimp look. I'm like, we should set it in a braid and undo it, and then you get that natural textured crimp without looking like it was crimped by a tool. And so how I got there was basically I damped the girl's hair down with water, and I added my Hamadi Shea hair cream, and then undid it, and then used the Sunsilk hairspray. And then the final touches are you undo the braid, and it has that crimpy, natural feeling, sort of undone Betty-ish hair, and it's all about texture. So with that, the end result, we're using a product that I'm very proud of, that I co-created with Sunsilk, and it's the Definitive Wax. And that's the final product that we use to just go over it to create just a little more sheen and a little more texture, so it gives a little more separation.